careful dahil may barn doon, yung green, ito yung green barn. Iiwasan nilang makasira ng property. Good morning everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today is Monday and we will go to one of the client of Warren because meron tayong ika-cut na trees. I think 4. Last time I said stump pero wala palang stump. It's 4 trees na we need to take down. So we're just waiting for Jeff to come in. Actually kanina pa namin hinihintay. I'm thinking na mag-vlog na dun sa site kaso it's already 11 a.m. but still Jeff's not yet arrived. But they are now preparing and dun silang dalawa ni Will sa labas. Si Will be the assistant for today. And we're going to take all of you with us. Site. They are now setting up para putulin na yung trees. I think there's 2 on that side and 2 on this side. So Jeff has assistant also. Total 4 men are working plus me. Probably not. Because it's trees. Mostly kapag nagpuputol sila ng trees, sila lang nagpuputol and then I help out to clean. But since hindi naman namin lilinisin yung putulin yun, so probably they will work on it alone. Masyadong malamig ngayon. Kaya nag-decide si Warren na he's teasing me. Hindi ganun kalamig today. Kaya nag-decide si Warren na gawin na tong job na to. Although malamig pa rin, pero compared to the other days, hindi naman ganun ka-intense. Nasa 40 Fahrenheit today. And I think magiging papalang 55 ata. So it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's almost 12 noon. So he said it will be just quick kasi it will just taking down of trees, no cleaning. So probably by 2 p.m. tapos na to. Or before 2. Jeff is tying a rope over there kasi they need to be careful dahil may barn doon, yung green, ito yung green barn. Iiwasan nilang makasira ng property kasi they will take responsibility of it. So ayan, they need to get a rope para may support. Putulin na nila yung buong puno. Hihilahin ni Pogi. Hihilahin ng pickup truck namin yung puno. Yan yung rope. Hindi naman nakuha. Ayun na nga. Nag-pause siya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Visit na to. Ayun na nga. Hindi natin nakita yung pagbagsak ng puno. Visit na to. Nag-pause. Nag-pause siya mga kapatid. Sorry na. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit siya nag-pause. Nakita ko na lang nung bumagsak na. Naka-pause. I hate you. That's Jeff. Yung nagpupulo ng puno. That's his truck. Bucket truck tawag dyan. Yan. So, Jeff nandun sa truck. Yung dog, cute. Here's the dog. She seems so gentle. Hello. How are you? Hello, baby boy. Hey, baby girl. We're done. We are done for today. It's like 1 hour job. Done. 4 trees down. Good job, babe.
I try.
Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo yung yung dalawa pang punong tinake down nila kasi madali lang, maliit lang pala yung puno. Nakakainis. Nakakainis yung una, hindi ko napakita. Nag-pause kasi. So we're heading home.
A few moments later.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, babe. Welcome to another vlog. It's day 2 of our tree service, and we will going to another site, another client, to take down 2 trees today, babe. Yeah, 2 trees and a limb. Ayun, so kahapon pumunta kami sa, it's along Scottsville lang, but today it will be in Franklin. So we're heading to the gas station first, and then we'll go straight to the client site. We're here in the gas station, Casey's, and we're currently getting some gas or fuel. And then that skid steer, it's sold already. So yung pupuntahan nating bahay, kapitbahay niya si Ace, yung isang buddy ni Warren. And then he wants it, so he will trade it to tractor, I think. But we don't need the tractor. He will be going to buy it and sell it. Yun, to check niya. Siguro i-modify niya yung tractor and then sell it for higher price. So sorry, hindi ko na rin kayo na-update last night. Napagod din kami. Tapos we just watched a movie. And then I just cooked pork steak for our dinner last night. And then kanina, prepare ko na rin yung gagawin kong lumpiang Shanghai para mababad siya, para prepared na siya when we get home for the dinner. Dito sa Casey's, masarap yung nila, iced coffee. Do you need anything from Casey's, babe?
I don't. You want to go get something?
I'm just thinking.
If you want something from in there, just go get it. I'm going to be sitting here for a little bit, waiting on Jeff.
Okay.
I'm back. I just got bacon, egg, and cheese croissant. And my coffee, iced coffee. This is mix of vanilla, mocha, and salted caramel. Cause wala nang salted caramel. Gusto ko yung salted caramel kasi pinag-mix ko na lang sa lahat. It's mixed, babe. Easy.
What bakery you doing?
First bite. Sweet. Well, I thought
Too much dark croissant.
I like croissant.
Yeah, but dark croissant tasted good.
This one? No, you don't like?
Care much for faces in general, to be honest.
For me, it tastes good. Nakasawa ko mapili sa pagkain. Hindi siya masyadong picky, pero pag ayaw niya, ayaw niya. Oh, that's the clinic, babe. I
Yeah,
think they are open.
it looks like it.
We want to go there?
We'll be back in town before they close. Jeff will come on.
So, we are going. Jeff is here. Sarap nito. Kahit mixed iced coffee siya. Masarap pa din. We're now here. Baka pumunta tayo ng IJ. Since nasa Franklin na tayo, nandito yung paborito kong chicharon. Dito sa IGA Franklin. Sa ibang IGA kasi like in Bowling Green and Glasgow, wala sila nun. Yung parang maliliit na chicharon na may laman. Na may taba-taba. You'll see that later. So, punta tayo dun. Malapit lang naman dito. Nakita ko na kanina. Dumaan kami. So, we'll go to IGA Franklin to get the pork skin that I want. home. Ayun, sakto. Pinagpalit niya sa skid steer.
Hey, Rachel.
Hi!
What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
No, you're not. You're on a video.
Say hi.
Bye.
Hi. Sana naman tong batang makulit na to. Yeah. He bought it and then he's gonna sell it. Post it online. Hi, Reaper. No, not too high. It's a wrecking ball. Sing wrecking ball. I got it like a wrecking ball. Sing wrecking ball. You know wrecking ball?
I want to get off of it.
I am now cooking lumpiang Shanghai. I just saw a simple recipe in YouTube, I think, or Facebook, I don't know. But yeah, ginaya ko siya. Kasi last time na ginawa ko, hindi masarap. So let's see, this is good. In fairness, masarap yung lumpiang Shanghai ko. Nagustuhan niyo ni Regan. Kulang na lang ng kinchay. Wala akong makitang kinchay dito. Yung celery, hindi ko gusto. In fairness, hindi sila Warren. Sini-check yung tractor.
Are you looking at YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That's Kenzie. Hindi niya gusto yung lumpia. Si Regan gusto. Mm-hmm. Reaper, be gentle.
Reaper, be careful, bud.
She's still a puppy.
Kenzie.
We found a flock of geese over there.
Are we going south or north?
I think south. It's warm there.
I think too.
It's already 7 o'clock here. Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner and now I'm washing the dishes. I just prepared steak for Warren and baked potato. Tapos ako yung lumpiang Shanghai lang kanina. And rice. And the sweet and sour pork. Sweet and sour pork. Sweet and sour sauce. Nabili ko sa sa grocery. Panda Express yung niya. Tatak. Masarap siya. Medyo matamis lang, pero masarap naman. Warren also likes the sauce. Ayun. Wala na masyadong ganap today. Yun lang. I'll show you the I'll show you the sauce. Ito Ito siya. Sweet chili sauce. Ayan. Panda Express. Sa Walmart, meron. Yun, masarap siya. Try nyo. Hindi ko alam kung magkano eh. Dati pa yun. Pag chinek ko yung expiration, March pa naman. So, okay pa siya. Binili ko siya kasi gumawa na ako dati ng Shanghai pero hindi ako nasarapan. So now, all the way. Wala lang kinchay. Sarap. Okay naman. Gustuhan din ni Warren. Tapos tomorrow, may pasok si Warren. Wala na tayong kasama dito. Magkaisa naman tayo ng bahay. Linis-linis. Kung naglinis na ako ngayon, baka maglampaso na lang ulit ako tomorrow. I think Chinese New Year na. Kung hei Fat Choy. Kung hei Fat Choy. Papakita ko rin pala sa inyo yung eyeglass niya. Nakuha na rin namin kanina nung pauwi kami from site. Kasi siya, on the way naman. Nadaanan namin. So, nag-stop muna kami doon para kunin. Ito yung glasses niya. Where are your glasses, babe? Here?
Yeah.
Here, ang ganda. Ang ganda rin na lalagyan. Pati yung cloth niya, naka-polo. Sa shawl, ayun. Naka-polo. Tapos ito yung salamin. Ganda. Simple lang. Pero ang ganda ng frame. Halata mo talagang mamahalin. Hindi ko nakita meron design to dito na parang leopard print or brown-black combination. Hindi ko siya nakita nung pinili ko. Probably because iba yung vision ko that time. Iba nga malabo mata ko that time. So, hindi ko siya nakita. Pero si Warren, nakita daw niya to. I said, I think it's all black. And then he said, no. It's my eyes. Ayan, naka Ralph Lauren siya dito. Tapos, ito yung logo. Ang ganda, no? Nung sinuot ko to, ano? Ang labo. Pero okay sa kanya. All good. Ganda. Worth the price. So, I'll probably end this vlog na, guys. And I'll see you on our next video. Bye, babe. Bye. Have a great day. Kong hei fat choy.